January 6th card opening. Have some packs here today. Open up. Have another Series 2 hobby. And we have a update hobby too. Got a gold. Jake Woodford gold. That's a rookie. Brent Rooker, Tanner Houck, and Will Yar. So gold rookie. Won't complain about that. We know the golds are one in 14. Everything an update. 1 in 14 still. So we have an update. Floreal. Petite. Don Carlson. A 70. A Jake Arrieta black. A little bit bent on that corner there, but nice. Shane Collin. So Elias Diaz. Nev Merrill Kelly. So 2 variations of a hobby, a black and a gold. That's not too bad, actually. Let's do some archives. Piazza. Definitely a different color brown. Not necessarily a different color. Spencer Howard. Devers, David Peterson. Optic. Spencer Torkelson. Joe Adele. Dennis Medina. What do we have here? Tucker Davidson. Auto. Non-numbered. Pretty good pack there. Stadium Club Chrome. Garrett Whitlock, Tanner Houck, Tim Anderson, Nick Senzel, Luis Campos, and Garrett Cole Virtual Reality. I think a Bowman's best. Giolito. Ash Russell at a 99. Mirror Image, Brendan Rodgers and Xander Bogaerts. Maybe Bradley Zimmer, Carlos Gomez. That's all for today.